Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Hqst solar panel is probably one of the most versatile and powerful solar energy solutions available on the market today, designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners and businesses alike, offering a compelling blend of efficiency, durability, and cost-effectiveness for those looking to harness the sun's energy and reduce their reliance on traditional power grids. Number 5. ECO-worthy 100-watt monocrystalline solar panel. Introducing the ECO-worthy 100-watt solar panel, designed for efficient and reliable energy generation. Experience high performance for your off-grid adventures. Achieve up to 23% cell efficiency with advanced PERC technology. This panel maximizes sunlight utilization, providing approximately 400 Wh of electricity daily. This 100W panel is the perfect component for your solar power system. It's ideal for home use or outdoor applications and compatible with various 12V batteries. With pre-drilled holes, installation is a breeze. Mount it easily on your roof to optimize space and sunlight capture, making setup quick and convenient. Enjoy peace of mind with its durable construction. Featuring a weather-resistant design, tempered glass, and an aluminum frame, it's built to withstand the elements for 25 years. We are committed to your satisfaction. Our support team is available to assist you with any questions, offering dedicated, lifelong help. What we like. This panel offers excellent efficiency with its PERC technology, making it a great choice for maximizing sunlight utilization. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting solar solution for your DIY projects or off-grid needs, this is a solid option. It's built to last for 25 years, ensuring peace of mind. What people say. Each of these panels produced 5.5A+ and normally over 20V in full Florida sun, as measured on my multimeter. These panels give me the expected VOC of 80+, 48V nominal, and at the sun's peak of the day I get the expected 27 amps of current. The panel charges my battery pack quickly. Number 4. ECO-worthy 9.36 kWh off-grid solar power system. Introducing the ECO-worthy 9.36 kWh solar power system, your reliable solution for off-grid energy needs. This comprehensive kit is designed to provide ample power for your home, shed, or cabin. Harness the sun's energy with our N-type 18BB solar panels. These highly efficient panels are built to last, featuring a durable, waterproof design and a 30-year lifespan. At the heart of the system is the 5000W all-in-one off-grid charge inverter. It efficiently converts solar power, offers multiple charging modes, and protects your valuable appliances while reducing energy costs. Need more power? This system supports parallel connection for up to 6 units, allowing you to scale your energy output to meet growing demands. It offers flexible voltage options for various configurations. Everything you need is included in this ready-to-use kit. It comes with solar panels, the charge inverter, and Z-mounting brackets for a straightforward setup. For optimal performance and safety, we recommend professional installation. While we offer online technical guidance, it's best to have an expert handle the setup to avoid any safety hazards or performance loss. What we like. This comprehensive kit is designed for significant power needs, capable of running major appliances. If you require a robust off-grid system for your home, shed, or farm and want substantial energy backup, this is the ideal choice. Its N-type cells and long lifespan make it a powerful and durable investment. What people say. Work great for off-grid cabin with intermittent 1-800W well pump and 900W tank pump, full-time refrigerator and lights every evening. The solar panels were all good and still performing perfectly. Installation was very straightforward and simple. It came with everything I needed. Number 3. ECO-worthy 200W solar panel kit. Introducing the ECO-worthy 200W solar panel kit, your reliable source for off-grid power. This kit is designed for a wide range of applications, from RVs to remote cabins. Generate up to 800 Wh per day with high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells. It's perfect for powering your adventures on RVs, campers, boats, and more. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy frame and an IP65 rated junction box, this panel is built to withstand harsh weather conditions for decades. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a quick setup. Pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play cables make installation a breeze, and it can be configured for 12V or 24V systems. You'll receive two 100W solar panels, mounting brackets, a 30A charge controller, solar cables, connectors, and tray cables for a complete solution. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 tech support. Contact us anytime for assistance with your new power solution. What we like. This kit provides a good balance of power and versatility for various mobile applications. If you need a solar solution for your RV, camper, or boat, and want a complete package with easy installation, this is a great option. It's durable and designed for a long service life. What people say. These panels are performing well and fully charged my battery yesterday with minimal sun. The eco-worthy 200W12V 24V solar panel kit is an excellent choice for those looking to harness solar power for RVs, campers, boats, cabins, and other off-grid applications. High-efficiency monocrystalline panels deliver superior solar energy conversion, ensuring maximum power output even in low-light conditions. Number 2. eco-worthy 400W12V solar panel kit. Harness the sun's energy with this premium 400-watt kit. It's designed to generate a significant amount of electricity daily, even in low-light conditions. Each panel comes with pre-installed cables and bypass diodes for optimal performance. Experience top-tier quality with our 100-watt monocrystalline panels. They boast high efficiency and are built to withstand harsh weather, including high winds and snow loads. The durable aluminum alloy frame and tempered glass ensure longevity. Our advanced MPPT charge controller maximizes energy harvest with 99% tracking efficiency. It ensures your system is protected from overcharging and overdischarging, leading to a 40% increase in efficiency compared to traditional controllers. Setting up your solar power system is a breeze. With pre-drilled panels, plug-and-play connectors, and clear instructions, you can have it installed quickly and safely. Keep track of your system's performance from anywhere using the included Bluetooth module. Monitor real-time data on your mobile phone with a strong, reliable signal. What we like. This premium kit stands out with its advanced MPPT charge controller for maximum efficiency and a Bluetooth module for convenient monitoring. If you are looking for a high-performance off-grid system for your home or RV and appreciate the ability to track your system's performance remotely, this is the one to consider. The enhanced frame also adds to its durability. What people say. I'm getting about 350 watts and 25.5 amps out of the controller at peak sunlight. The kit came neatly packaged with clear instructions. The controller recognized my LiFePO 4 batteries and the parameters were good. The panels have been consistent and dependable, providing strong, steady output even on overcast days. The construction feels solid, with sturdy framing and weather-resistant materials that have handled a full season outdoors without any issues. Number 1. eco-worthy 260W12V Flexible Solar Panel Kit. Introducing the eco-worthy 260W 12V Flexible Solar Panel Kit. This kit is perfect for powering your off-grid adventures, whether you're on a home, RV, or boat. Generate up to 1.04 kWh per day, depending on sunlight. It's ideal for a variety of applications including RVs, homes, boats, campers, and even electric vehicles. Experience a 30% increase in power generation with our upgraded 130W panels. 2 panels can generate a maximum of 1040 Wh per day under optimal sunshine conditions. Crafted with advanced polymer materials, it's 70% lighter than traditional glass panels. This makes transportation and installation significantly easier, even on uneven surfaces. Our intelligent charger controller features an LCD display and supports various battery types. It also includes dual USB ports for charging your devices and offers comprehensive protections for your system. This complete kit includes 2 130W flexible solar panels and all necessary accessories like the solar controller, cables, and Y-branch connectors. We recommend waiting for all packages to arrive before starting assembly. What we like. This flexible solar panel kit is perfect for applications where traditional rigid panels won't work, such as uneven surfaces or on boats. If you need a lightweight and adaptable solar solution that can increase power generation by 30% compared to standard panels, this is an excellent choice. Its flexibility makes installation on various surfaces much easier. What people say. The Hqst 100W solar panel is a good option for off-grid applications, providing reliable power for charging batteries and running small appliances. It features a durable aluminum frame and tempered glass, making it resistant to harsh weather conditions and ensuring long-term performance. The panel's high efficiency allows it to generate a significant amount of power even in low-light conditions, making it suitable for various environments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.